guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about and reviewing the Kiss Impress Press-On Falsies Pre-Bonded Technology. No glue needed, just press and go. Under lash application. 3 to 4 full applications, 30 clusters. I got the refill pack. I didn't get the one that has the, like, tweezers in it. Just because I have a million of those types of tweezers, and I understand that it says there's a no stick applicator. I don't know if I believe that, so whatever. I want more lashes for my money. So we're going to try these out. A long time ago, I did an under lash application with like a strip lash, and it went like okay, but you could definitely tell that like the lashes were underneath instead of like on top. And I do think that these would be a really good option for people that have like hooded lids, or maybe a more mature skin who has like a more drooped lid that can't wear lashes or liner like on the top of their eyelash line. These would be a good option to go underneath to still get the same effect. I was gonna say I got the shade, but I got the style Wispy. They do have a few different styles, and honestly, they all kind of look the same to me. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or not, but that is the way it was. So what does it say? Pick a cluster from the tray, place the cluster underneath your natural lashes, squeeze clusters and natural lashes together with the applicator. How to remove: with clean hands, use your fingers to remove the clusters by gently lifting them off, starting with the band side. Hold cluster from middle outer end to avoid touching band area. Okay. Up. Oh, that was too easy. Oh my goodness. You guys. You guys. Oh no. Okay. I'm finding them a little hard to pick up from the tray. That one came off. Oh no. Alright, let's try a different one, because that one's not working out so well. You guys, these are so easy to apply, and they just look like natural lashes. Like, I don't even feel like it doesn't add any bulk underneath, you know? And you get 3 to 4 applications out of these, so like you don't just pluck them off and like throw them away. I don't know, you guys. And they don't feel like they're sticky underneath because of like sticking to here, but they're not like, I don't feel the stickiness underneath my lashes. You guys, those are nice. This, how many do I have on here? I think I have 3 or 4. 1, 2, I have 4. I have 4 on this side, and they look so just natural. Like, they don't look like you're wearing false lashes at all. Those are so nice. Okay, I'm gonna do this side. Do you think I could like, nope, wrong way. Zoom in. Boom. Do you see that? You don't. because they blend so seamlessly. This is like my new favorite product. Okay, it actually does look like, okay, so I'm not the greatest, but they do come in different lengths. It looks like these are short ones, these are medium ones, and these are long ones. So way to go, Kirby, you just used short ones all over your eyes. But even still, it just gives you like a little zhuzh. All right, let's try to use like a medium one. I feel like most people would just use the short ones anyways. Like most average people aren't trying to wear like long lashes. I mean, I am, but that's me. Oh, that is so nice. It does take a little bit longer than a strip lash, but maybe not, because like you have to wait for the glue to dry. You're taking another medium. Alright, the mediums are a little long once you start to get up to like the middle of your eye. That's like so long. Alright, we're gonna go back down to the short. They are a little tricky to pull off, I will say. Ooh. Those look amazing. Alright, I'm gonna zoom you guys out a little bit. Alright. These look amazing. This side feels a little bit more tacky than this side. But if you're looking for like just a little zhuzh on the outer corner, or if you're looking because you have like a hooded eye or a droopy eyelid or something that like comes down a little bit further that impedes lashes, like possibly even like a monolid or something like that. These, since they're like an under application, are so nice. They don't feel tacky or sticky like closing my eyes or anything like that. I'm gonna wear them for a little bit. Right now it's 2:08, so I'm gonna wear them for a little bit around the house, couple of hours, to see like how they wear and possibly take them off and re-put them on. But yeah, right now these are amazing. They're huge. Like, they're a huge opportunity for people who are like beginning lashes, and again for people who feel like they can't wear lashes because of the way their eyes are shaped. Ugh, kiss. Kiss! We've knocked it out of the park again. Okay, I will be back in a couple of hours to kind of like update on where we're at in terms of like wear. Okay guys, I am checking back in. It is 5:53, so a couple of hours later, and they are still holding up really well, unlike the rest of my face. I haven't touched up at all because I've just been at home. We set up a new TV and have just been doing laundry and cleaning and stuff. But yeah, the lashes themselves, like these are holding up really, really well. If you, again, buy these ones, just remember that they come in 3 different lengths, and if I looked close enough, the packaging actually says short, medium, and long. We used most of the short ones, which I feel like the everyday person would use short most often. I will say that there was minimal irritation, but that the ones that I put closer to the inner corners of my eyes, I could feel those a little bit more than the ones on the outer corners, so these might just be like an outer corner type of lash, but it does say that you can get up to 3 to 4 full applications out of them. So what we're going to do is take them off and put them back in the case so that we can use them again. And I will say that they were really easy to reposition too. If you put them in the wrong place, they were really easy to reposition, which was nice. Alright, and there we go. Took them off, put them back on here to save them for next time. This was the style Wispy. Again, if you're like new to lashes or just want something on the outer corner, or you have like a hooded lid, a monolid, or like a droopy lid, these actually might be a really, really great option. I got the refill pack, which did not come with the applicator, the no stick applicator, but they do sell packs that do have the applicator, and all the applicator are these like eyelash tweezers, but I guess they have a non-stick coating on them. I don't know if that's true or not. But my overall impression is that these are really, really great. Honestly, they are honestly some of the best like under lashes or lash clusters that I've used. They're super easy, no glue required. These would be great, again, last minute popping into a drugstore and getting them. I'll link them down in the description box if you're interested to check them out on your own time. But yeah, highly, highly recommend, especially for people who might not like want to wear a full lash or anything like that, or who have trouble with them. Those were super easy. So I will link those down in the description box. Have you tried these before? Have you heard about them, tried them? I know a couple of other companies have like tried to come out with things similar to this, so maybe we'll have to do a comparison to see how easy they are. But let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.